Alright, I just set down my ammo depot. It's right there. I got my extra weapon in case I'm getting chased. Alright, I got my M16, even though it's an M4, but my brother calls it an M16, and he's gonna shoot me every time I say it wrong. Alright, I'm gonna sneak around. You don't even know who people live here, so. Crap, someone's getting shot at. I'm about to lay down my gun. Got my binoculars. Come on, run. Oh, we got the hat, we got the hat, we got the flag, run. Just go. Go. Just run. Just haul like you've never hauled before. Or walk, that's cool too. Should I shoot him? Go, run. I quit! Oh! I don't quit! Did he make it? Oh God, help us. Help us all. I sure hope he did. Alright, I'm gonna go try to save my team. Wish me luck.